Hey gang, welcome back to Armcandy. Isn't this just the prettiest colour you've ever seen in your life? This is a Coccinelle Carousel in super smooth soft leather. I mean, it's just got that gorgeous sheen on the leather, but the colour, I love it. It's a sort of, it's pink, but it's a kind of rose pink. It's soft and gentle and elegant, and it's all of the things that I love about pink. Beautiful, joyous, absolute pleasure to wear this bag. It's got a long strap which is adjustable and also removable, and it's got beautiful little Coccinelle engraved on the fastens there. Let's show you the back, and I'm going to show you around. Beautiful stitching. It really is a beautiful bag. Coccinelle is actually one of my favourite brands. I think they're very similar to brands like Celine, Bottega Veneta. I think they are of a similar kind of elegance, style, beautiful to use, beautiful to hold and carry. They've really been thought about, and their fabrics are always gorgeous. The leather on this really is beautiful. Flat closure with the gorgeous laser cut strap, little Coccinelle there, and it's a pressed stud fasten, magnetic pressed stud fasten. I love those noises, as you know. And then inside, it's actually gold. How cool is that? Gold line for a bag, I love it. One little flat pocket there, and then you've got the main bag here. I'm going to pop it on so that you can get an idea of the size. The exact measurements are on the website, and there's a link to that if you go to my description below. But to give you an idea, I am 5'4", I'm a UK size 10. It's got that lovely wide shoulder that kind of balances the weight, so it's really comfortable when it's on. That is how you're looking at it if you were at the shoulder. I would probably wear it across body. And I think that with maybe some like lighter shade blue jeans would be absolutely stunning. It comes with Coccinelle dust bag, and I will talk you through the condition. Remember, if you're a bag lover, then you need to subscribe to this channel. When you hit the bell, make sure your alerts are turned on. And I'm just going to mention as well, I said that the link to this is in the description below. The link will take you straight to this on the website. If the link takes you to our generic product page, it means this is sold. I'm really sorry, you've been a little bit too slow. It's a bit mean, isn't it? But you've missed out and it's sold. If you are after one of these, it's Coccinelle Carousel. Email us and let us know. When you're on the website, you'll be able to find the contact us page or email address. Get in touch with us. We have a request list. We can put you on it, and we can let you know next time we have one in. Okay. So back to this, the condition. The interior and the exterior are in absolutely excellent condition. Beautiful, pristine, gorgeous. It's just absolutely lovely. And inside, the gold, it's absolutely beautiful. The hardware we've called good condition. Now actually, most of it is excellent. All of these fastens here are stunningly beautiful and fantastic. The reason I've given it a lesser rating is because there are some scratching and some signs of wear on the clasp. Now let's see if I can angle it. There you go. So some hairline scratching on that front clasp. The rest of the hardware is beautiful. So there is a link to shop this, as I said. If you go to what are you going to? The description. My description of this below has got the link to this. It'll either take you to this if it's available, or it will take you to the website. What do I need to tell you? Before you go, like and subscribe. Then use the link on the website. When you're on the website, remember to sign up to the newsletter, and we'll send you a discount code that you can use on your first purchase. So you do that on the website, you scroll to the bottom of any page, there's a little like box where you can put your email address. We'll send you a discount code. Your discount code will come through immediately, so if you haven't got it within a minute or two, check your spam folder in case it's gone in there. We are a consignment store. We are right in the centre of the UK. We take Armcandy in to sell for you if you're in the UK as well. We ship and we sell worldwide, so wherever you are in the world watching this video, you can use that link and you can shop with us. But if you are selling, at the moment it's UK only, so email us, get in touch, let us know what you've got, and we'll get your stuff sold for you. And I think that's everything. I think so. I feel like something else I should tell you, but I can't think what that is. So we'll say goodbye instead. Have a fabulous day. See you later with some more Armcandy.